Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick video on how to use and when to use these Celly commands. So the first thing is if you ever forget any of the commands, you can open up the command list, which is right here on the watch. Now, the first list of commands, these are going to be movement here. So turn left, turn right, or recenter. In order to get these commands to trigger, you need to say the prompt, which is OK Celly, and then you say turn left. In this case, I will turn left. Now, the next set of commands are things you can ask Celly to do. So you could say, okay, Celly, bring up the command list, which is what we're looking up right now. You can ask her to open the menu, repeat her last command, or if you have finished a module, you can say done, and that will pop up. Now, the next set of tabs here are teleportations. So these are different places you can teleport to. So we have the anteroom, biosafety cabinet, cell culture room, main lab, PCR room, sequencing room. All of these you can teleport to. So you go ahead and you say this prompt. I'm not going to say it because then I will go there. And then you say whatever location. So these are used very commonly in the modules. You will start in the anteroom here, where you put on your personal protective equipment, and then you teleport to the lab where you continue with the module. The very last command list is locations. So these are within every module, the locations you can teleport to. So if you're running the biosafety cabinet module, you can teleport to the biosafety cabinet in the anteroom. If you're in blood typing, you can teleport to the main lab, the sink, and the anteroom, etc., etc. So that is how you set up, well, not set up, that is how you use and know when to use